me, forget about myself. Unreal, never pop to pills and put yourself to sleep. Yeah, I better be off, you better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy. Yeah, better bring my song, if you feel I'm wrong, you anyhow, then get it caught. I wronged you now, better do the dance for another wine, for I forget how it's done. I'm in a rush when the lights come on, cause I ain't the same, so I run away. Couldn't face the pain, so I acted out and overcame. But it beats too fast, yeah. I wish that I could turn back to the start, rewind the hands and face my past, yeah. Living the now is what you said, I let you down, cause I was late to the party as always. You got regrets, I can't replace you. Another lesson trying to break through. I better be off, you better get behind the way you love, devoid of energy. Yeah, better bring my song, if you feel I'm wrong, you anyhow, then get it caught. I wronged you now, better do the dance for another wine, for I forget how it's done. I'm in a rush when the lights come on, cause I ain't the same, so I run away. Couldn't face the pain, so I acted out and overcame. You sit still in the wind struck, shipwrecked, tough love, couldn't feel a thing. I still can't, then overcame. Shields me from the worst you say in the dark. I'm at large, my reach goes wide and far. I've got powers in my dreams, but awake and I still can't feel a thing. Pressure with your pressure on me, and I kept deflated, I'm certainly no good for it, but I kept saying and then overcame.
Yeah, niggas will talk down just to look up. Getting warmer when I cook up. George Foreman couldn't grill the nigga. Work the clock like a chef. Niggas will talk down just to look up. Wasn't ready when I pushed up. Stood steady with my chest up. 6'3" ain't check. I just been pulling on strings, I ain't rushing and then sure ain't pick up my dribble. Ay, I stay on point at all times, might pass to my nigga. Shoot out a dribble. Ay, niggas will rush to the light in the dark of the night. Now you caught in the middle. Ay, I be a thief in the night. I just passed by that bitch, now she playing the fiddle. I give the keys, the code of the safe, they never been safer. I know some niggas who owe it to faith, but really ain't never been faithful. I know some villains and fiends, and I got some foes, they keeping their space though. Who the fuck told us little boy could pop out the band, start making them waves though?